Do you want to know how to make a super easy breakfast that is super delicious? Watch to the end to learn how to make grits taste good. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome to the family. I'm Emma and this is MaslarVision. If you are new to my channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you want to be alerted every time I try to upload a new video on Mondays and Fridays, hit the bell icon. Today, I am going to be showing you how to make grits taste delicious. This is super easy, so make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. First of all, it's super important that you have clean hands. So before you do anything in the kitchen, make sure to wash your hands. Once your hands are clean, go ahead and boil the water in the grits. You can substitute the water for milk if you prefer creamier grits, but all you're going to do is add a cup of water to a saucepan with 1/4 cup of grits. Once the grits are done boiling, all you have to do is turn the heat down to low and then let the grits sit in the pan with the lid on it until they are the thickness you would like. Make sure you stir them after you're done boiling them. Next, you're gonna add all the things that make the grits taste awesome. You can kind of experiment around and add as much or as little as you want of kind of whatever you want, but typically I like to add butter, sometimes I add some hot sauce to kick it up a notch, and then I like to add cheese, sometimes bacon bits, salt, and pepper. Now it's time to enjoy your grits. So that's how you make grits taste delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by subscribing to my channel, liking and sharing this video. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to receive alerts every time I try to upload a new video on Mondays and Fridays. If you ever want to chat, say hi in the comments below. Keep a lookout for my next video. Bye!